If you want to make a voice sound angry in ElevenLabs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to guide the AI so it sounds more intense, more emotional, and much closer to the delivery you want. This is really useful for character voices, dramatic lines, storytelling, gaming content, or any project where a calm voice just does not fit the moment. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll create your voice output and control how the voice is generated. Once you're inside, the first thing you need to do is check the model selection. For the best results, make sure the model is set to 11v3 or the newest multilingual model if ElevenLabs has updated the naming. Choosing the right model matters because newer models usually understand tone and delivery instructions much better than older ones. Now let's talk about the part that actually helps create the angry delivery. In your script, you need to use prompting tags, also called bracketed instructions, before the dialogue. These tags act like performance notes for the AI, so instead of only typing the line, you add a simple direction like right before the sentence. For example, you could write, "Do not touch that." This tells the system that the line should be delivered with anger intention. You can also make the instruction a little more specific if needed. For instance, you might try, or, if the line needs to feel stronger, the more clearly you describe the emotion, the better chance you have of getting the result you want. Just remember that the way the voice sounds can still depend on the selected voice, the sentence itself, and the wording around it. Short, sharp sentences usually sound more aggressive than long, soft ones. If the result is not angry enough on the first try, do not worry. This is where testing comes in. Try changing the tag, adjusting the line, or rewriting the sentence with more forceful wording. For example, "What were you thinking?" may sound more emotional than a very neutral sentence. You can also combine the emotional tag with punctuation for extra effect, like an exclamation mark or a question mark, depending on the line. Another helpful tip is to keep the rest of the script aligned with the mood you want. If the surrounding text is very calm, the angry line may stand out less than expected. So, if you're creating a scene, make sure the context matches the emotion. This gives you a much more natural result and helps the voice performance feel consistent. Once your script is ready, preview the audio and listen carefully. If the anger sounds too mild, go back and refine the tag or the wording. If it sounds too extreme, tone it down with a softer tag like or. That flexibility is one of the best parts of using ElevenLabs for emotional voice generation, because you can experiment until the delivery feels right. And that's the basic process for making a voice sound angry in ElevenLabs. Choose the right model, add bracketed prompting tags, test the result, and refine it until it matches the emotion you want. It's a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in how believable your voiceover sounds. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.